How's it going? I'm the PTFX Gold Bot, and I'm about to show you something that's changing lives and making people money, completely on autopilot. It's called the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trader, and it does everything for you. Even if you have zero trading experience, this works on autopilot, because AI does all the work. And let's be real, jobs don't pay like they used to. Inflation is climbing. Therefore, you need income that works for you while you work on other things, even at your job, with your family, or while you're on vacation. So this is your chance to get ahead of the curve, while everyone else is still trading time for money. With this AI software, you set it up once, and the AI does all the hard work for you. And the cool part is, since we released the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trader, every single member who's used it has had a positive experience. We've seen members make $50, $100, $200, even thousands of dollars within a week. And just so you know it's real, let me show you some proof. One member made over $5,000 in less than a week. Another made $2,800, and yet another made $681 on their very first day. Let's check that out.
Hello, Mike Taylor with PTFX University, and I'm here and I'm so excited to talk about the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trader. That's what I'm here for, and that's what you see on your screen here. If you look over here in the right corner right here, you see right here it says Gold Rush under my expert advisor. So this is my Gold Rush. This is my live account. You see down here at the bottom, you see it's moving $962 in profit right here. Let me move this so you can see. But yeah, you see profit. And I just want to talk about this, but before I talk about the results, I want to talk about what are we offering here. So what we have is an auto trader. It's an EA. It's specifically designed to trade gold only. You know how gold is. It goes up, it goes down. It can make a lot of money really fast, but it can be a little tricky when you trade it on your own. We have an AI software that's designed to recognize certain movements in the market, take advantage of those moves, and you're able to make money on complete autopilot. All you got to do is get a 1-year license, or you can own it for a lifetime. It's totally up to you. But when you get access to this, you set it up. It's about a 10-minute setup, if that, maybe 7 minutes. Once you set it up, it's doing exactly what you see it doing now, which is trading on autopilot. Now, with that being said, I want to get straight to the point because I actually didn't plan on making this video, but something put it in my spirit, in my heart to just go ahead and make this quick video. Normally, I talk about my teammates' results. I rarely talk about my results because I want to show that other people are making money other than myself. And I am going to show you some of my teammates' results after this video, but I want to actually show you my results because we're all using the same Gold Auto Trader. It's just an EA. So now, with that being said, I want to show you something real quick. So this is a new account I just started. And as you can see, at a 0.1 lot size, it started taking trades on June the 30th. If you look in the bottom of my screen, it is July the 2nd. So it's been about 2 days, right? So now you can see all the trades that it's taken. And then you keep going down. The 30th and 30th took a lot of trades. And then on the 1st, it took 3 more trades, right? And now you can also see that in real time, these trades are moving. They're gaining momentum. Some are negative, some are positive, right? And what our EA does is it offsets the negative trades with positive trades. So therefore, there's very little drawdown. In this case, there's no drawdown, and we're actually at a plus. $962 and counting, right? So almost $1,000 in how many days, y'all? 2 days. There's a lot of people in this world that work all week long and may not, after taxes and everything, clear $1,000. So to be able to clear $1,000 in 2 days on autopilot, give me some yeses in the comment section of this video if that's exciting. Because guess what? It only costs $1,000 for a 1-year license, y'all. That's roughly about $83 a month to get access to something that has the ability to make you $1,000 in 2 days. So I just wanted to show you this proof. This is very amazing. I'm really excited. I'm about to show you some more proof and testimonials from other members. And I see if you want access to this, so if you got questions, all you got to do is reach out to me, fill out my form at www.ptfxgoldrush.com. And then go ahead and reach out to me via email, social media, however you found me. Let me know you filled out the form. Let's go ahead and have that conversation, and let's get you started with the Gold Rush, and let's get you started making money on autopilot, hands-free. Thank you.
Okay, guys, here comes another testimonial from one of our clients here, Nathan. All right, so he actually had a $1,800 day using the Gold Rush Auto Trader. Right, this is super exciting. As you can see here, guys, in this live text message, he's giving me updates. Okay, he said he closed out with over $1,800. This bot is fire. Okay. All right, and he actually showed his results here. So here is his profits. This is cleared. Okay, $1,832 overnight with the Gold Rush Auto Trader. All right, that's super exciting, guys. And as you can see, I'm celebrating here. Wow, that's awesome, huge. Make sure you cash out and withdraw. Congrats. I'm always suggesting to go ahead and cash out. If you have a big day like that, if you go 100%, 200% of growth, go ahead and cash out, guys. And then you could go ahead and pick up the Gold Rush the next day. But it's totally up to you, but I always like to take satisfactory profits. I like to cash out daily and sometimes weekly. All right, guys, God bless. We'll see you on the next testimonial video. Okay, so this is another testimonial for the Gold Rush Auto Trader. Abigail, she actually is one of our clients. She recently got the Gold Rush Auto Trader, and you can see here in a video that she shared with us that she made $415 in one day. I mean, that is super exciting. We're super excited for her and everything that she's doing. Shout out to you, Abigail. Also, when you scroll down a little bit, you know, this is huge right here, guys. She says 1,000% or 10,000%, excuse me, the best investment yet. All right. And I actually agree. So shout out to Abigail. Keep crushing it with the Gold Rush Auto Trader.
It was a little dicey with the international happenings and everything that's going on in the world, and the market took a sharp drop right there. I had a $5,000 balance, closed out my orders and my trades, and ended up with $4,640. And since we opened up trading on Sunday, we are now, as you can see, the big spike, 2,715, 16, 14. You see it changing right there, over $2,700 up. And that's just in the space of Sunday, Monday, just quickly in almost 24 hours. And I just want you to know this thing works. I've already, if I were to take everything out right now, would have made back my initial investment, and everything moving forward for me would be pure profit. So if you're thinking about getting in on this Gold Rush Auto Trader, then you might want to do so yesterday. Thank you. Have a good day.
So I want to just show you exactly how the bot has worked for some of our clients. This lady right here, as you can see right here on June the 15th, she was saying, looking forward to seeing the bot in action tomorrow. Curious of how it'll be, right? So then you see right here on June the 16th, she sends me a screenshot. She shows the big dip. You see that long candlestick? So the market had dropped, right? And that was because there was some high impact news. And our bot takes advantage of the high impact news. So look at the results, y'all. She started off with a $1,000 account, and she made $681 in one night, y'all. That's a 68% growth. So I'm not saying these are typical results every day, but what I am saying is our bot and our AI technology is very smart, and it knows how to take advantage of big moves in the market. Congratulations to her. And she still got open trades, and she's going to be able to make even more money as time goes forward. So congratulations to her, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so funny story. Here's one of my clients right here, and they reached out. They had just got started with the Gold Rush Auto Trader, and they just happened to get the bot started on the night where there was very high impact news the very next morning, right? So these results are gonna blow your mind, because so far out of all the test accounts we've done, all of the people we've sold this bot to, these are the best results I've seen so far. So I wanna go ahead and show you. She started off with a $5,000 balance, y'all. I told her to send me a screenshot of her account because she was trying to figure out how to close the trades. So she thought she was only in profit. You see her deposit, then you see the profit, 228. However, she had open trades open. And let me go to the open trades. So if you look at her open trades, you see her balance Look at the equity, y'all. $11,623. She's in profit another $6,300. And believe it or not, y'all, this is in one night. High impact news. Our bot is designed to recognize this news, take advantage of it, and when gold makes huge moves in the market, our bot takes advantage of it, gets you paid.
Just wanted to shout out one of our members who just recently got started with the Gold Rush Auto Trader. He said, this is the text message we received, says, that's great, by the way. Started live today, just a little after 7. Okay, my balance was $999 when I got started. And current balance, $1,387, and it's still growing. So shout out to you. We really appreciate all the people sending in text messages, testimonial proof. Just very excited about the Gold Rush Auto Trader and their experience so far. We appreciate that. We're going to continue to post it and shout you guys out because it really inspires the newbies and those who are looking for a life-changing opportunity, trading gold on autopilot. So keep sending them in. We really appreciate it here at PTFX.
Thank you to those PTFX members for their testimonials. As you can see, this software is literally a money printer, taking trades all day, every day when the market is open. Also, if you want to get paid for referrals, every time you sell the Auto Trader, you earn unlimited $400 instant commissions. And the only requirement to earn these commissions is that you are a member of PTFX University and that you have a license with the PTFX Gold Auto Trader yourself. And the cool part about this is that it's 100% international. No matter where you live, you can get started and get paid in your own currency. This also makes a great gift. Give someone a tool that prints money. Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, it's the perfect gift. Just ask Mike Taylor.
Mike Taylor checking in. And I can honestly say, after 12 years of experience working online, this is by far the best thing I've ever had to offer to any of my customers. Setup is super simple, no tech skills needed, and if you need help, I got you. This bot literally prints money. Trades happen on autopilot. Withdraw anytime. Ready to get started? Go to ptfxgoldrush.com and let's go ahead and book a call and let's talk. Let's find out what your goals are and let's get you paid. Because remember, if you're waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Wealth rewards action, not hesitation. Please like and subscribe.